What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Powerbeats Pro I picked up on Amazon for $199. You can too, for a limited time only. They're down $50, down from $250. If you actually head over to Apple's retail site and look up the Powerbeats Pro themselves, you'll see that they are $249. Well, if you go to Amazon or if you go to Best Buy, you can pick them up for about $199. I just so happen to pick them up off of Amazon, which makes them a convenience good. What was really nice is all I had to do was click a button and they were here within a day. So you can't beat that convenience factor when it comes to shopping. Click of a button and you're done. Nonetheless, I've done a review of the JBL Endurance Peak and called them the best Powerbeats Pro alternative. But you know what? I didn't think that was fair given I hadn't listened to the Powerbeats Pro yet. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing and the first impressions of the Powerbeats Pro. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. So I've got my handy dandy knife here. Just a basic multi-tool that I'll go ahead and use to get off some of this top plastic. And we can go ahead and just unravel everything there. Okay, so the Powerbeats Pro come in 3 other colors. They come in 4 colors in total. They come in black, which we have here, ivory, moss, which is like a dark green, and navy, which is dark blue. That's a pretty known color. Like I said, $199.95 on Amazon. You have to be a Prime member, but anyway, you know, you get them for $50 off, so that's really awesome. So let's go ahead and get into the box here. Not quite sure how this box opens up, but it looks like it maybe slides off the top, and it does. So we'll go ahead and we get the Beats logo sort of embossed or maybe stamped in on the top of the box there, which is really nice, as you can see. And if we just lift off the top of the box, we get the Powerbeats Pro charging case, which is probably the biggest charging case I have ever had on the show so far. We'll go ahead and we'll put that off to the side there. And just to show you guys what comes in the box, everything is super neatly presented, by the way. I almost don't even want to take it apart, but you get the USB charging cable. You get some added ear tips, which is really nice. You get some added ear tips in there. And of course you get the Powerbeats Pro user manuals. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this box open, and as you can see, they present very well. No lights or no LED indicators when I open up the box, by the way. So let's see if anything happens when I take them out. So you take them out of their charging case. Very, very premium build quality so far. Very impressed with these headphones. Immediately, right away, it's very obvious how they go onto your head. Usually, I find these types of earbuds sort of confusing to figure out, but not with these. They're clearly marked and you can pretty much tell where they go. So anyways, I'm gonna get these on my head and do a little bit of a sound comparison to the JBL Endurance Peak, and I'll get back with you guys in just a few minutes. And right now, what I can tell you guys, you can find earbuds out there, sport wireless earbuds that sound just as good for less cost. So I'm talking the Jaybird Run XT I reviewed a couple of weeks ago. I think they go for $179. They sound just as good, if not better, than the Powerbeats Pro. But with the Powerbeats Pro, you're getting this ultimate in quality. You're getting this really phenomenal build quality. Even though this charging case is really bulky and on the bigger side, it's really due to the fact that you get those added ear tips that wrap around the ear for added security. So off of just the charge case is about 15 hours, and with the headphones you're getting 9 hours. So combined you're getting 24 hours total playback time. These are sweat resistant. What I actually have found that I really enjoy about these headphones is that the volume buttons and the Beats button to activate the voice assistant are very tactile. They're very clicky, they're responsive. You will have no problems figuring out the voice controls or figuring out how to turn the volume up or down or figuring out how to activate using just the one earbud at a time instead of having to use both at a time. If you would like to do that, you can do that with these. That is a feature that I'm not sure the JBL Endurance Peak have, the ability to listen to one headphone at a time. That was one question that one of you in the audience had about the JBL Endurance Peak. I can confirm for a fact that you can do that with the Powerbeats Pro. That is one of their features. Like I said, like you saw earlier, what was really nice is added earbuds came in the box, which was really nice. Thank you so much, Apple and Beats, for including extra ear tips, because even though these fit really comfortably into my ears, they were a little bit on the loose side. That can be easily corrected by just throwing on a pair of extra ear tips, which, like I said, come in the box. Overall, the midtones, very balanced. The highs are very balanced. The low end is very balanced. Music playback is balanced all across the board. It's a little bit muffled sounding. I've heard clearer earbuds before. I don't know which ones I've heard. Maybe it was the Jaybird One XT that I thought were a bit clearer, or maybe it was the Bose SoundSport free wireless earbuds. Make no mistake, these they deliver pristine sound, but I think they could be better. Anyways, if you're watching this video by the time the sale is over on these earbuds, wait for them to go on sale again. They're on sale right now, down from $50 for $199. Typically, these retail for $250. I picked them up on Amazon, which makes them a convenience good. My name is John. I thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions of the Powerbeats Pro. I will see you in the next video.